Hey guys, welcome back to the Online Income Lab. Darren here. And today I've got some exciting news for everyone who's been following the Roadmap Rebellion journey. Okay, so phase one laid the foundations, compliance, licensing, and getting your business structure right. So basically you can build on solid ground. But now we're stepping into phase two, and this is really exciting. Trust me when I say this is where things get really fun. Okay, so here's the official update straight from the creators themselves. Phase 2 of Roadmap Rebellion drops on September the 12th. That's only a few days from now, at the time of recording this video. And what's inside? Okay, 3 powerful modules, okay, designed to help you actually stand out in a crowd, create content, and find your unique path, not someone else's. And look, current members are getting so excited about this, already buzzing about it. You can see the comments, and there's absolutely loads of engagement inside the community right now about this. Here's what's coming up in phase 2. Content creation with Tony, okay, part 1. This is a huge section that dives deep into creating content that actually sells. Phase 2 will cover the content creation side, then phase 3, that they'll drop the full sales training to complete that process. There's also going to be branding module, okay? Now, this one's a big deal. It's all about shaping your brand in a way that makes you unforgettable. And the creators promise that this will be their best branding module yet to date. Your unique path module, okay? This is another section. This one doesn't even have a name yet, but it's probably going to be really, really exciting and really important for you. Think of it like a set of exercises, okay? Worksheets and even custom GPTs that they're going to be, so they build a tailored step-by-step framework unique to you. And by the end of that, you'll have your own very mini roadmap to success, completely customized to your answers and your situation. How cool is that? That's amazing, right? What I love about this is that phase 1 gave us the what and the foundation. But phase 2 has given us the how and the identity. So it's not just about having a license or a system. It's about building your brand, creating content that connects, and carving out your own lane online. That's what's going to separate you from everyone else doing copy and paste strategies. So mark your calendar for September the 12th. Phase 2 goes live inside Roadmap Rebellion. And if you're already inside, then get ready because things are about to level up big time. If you're not in yet, then this is the perfect time to join. You don't want to play catch up when phase 3 rolls out. Okay, I'm going to keep you updated on this channel as things drop. But let me know in comments what you're most excited about. Content, branding, or your unique roadmap. And remember, right now you can get access to Roadmap Rebellion for half price of $199. So don't wait. If you are on the fence and you've been looking at something like this, Roadmap Rebellion, when it's complete, is going to be $399. Right now, you can get it for $199. That's the education. And when you're in, you can decide where you go from there with regards to if you want to be a reseller of the education or you just want to use the education and build your business. Either way, it's your choice. Until next time, keep building. This is Darren signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.